Are you speaking English but still sound like a beginner? Want to speak like a native speaker? Then it's time to add some magic to your words with idioms.
What are idioms? Idioms are phrases that don't mean exactly what the words say. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. Wait, what? Are animals falling from the sky? No. It simply means it's raining heavily. Idioms, expressions that carry hidden meanings. They make your English more colorful, natural, and expressive.
If your English sounds textbook, you're missing out. Spice it up with idioms and you'll sound like a local in no time. Let's dive in. First up, break the ice. No, you don't need a hammer. This means to start a conversation in a social setting, especially when things feel awkward. Next time you're at a party, you might say, let's break the ice with a fun game. Now, have you ever heard hit the books? It doesn't mean hitting your textbooks. It's how we say start studying seriously. For example, I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. Another favorite, bite the bullet. This one's about facing something difficult with courage. Maybe you need to make a tough phone call or finish a boring assignment. Just bite the bullet and do it. Here's a fun one. Let the cat out of the bag. No cats involved. It means to accidentally reveal a secret. Like, oops, I let the cat out of the bag about your surprise party. Last but not least, under the weather. If you're feeling a bit sick, you can say, I'm feeling under the weather today. So next time you want to impress your friends or ace that English test, try using these idioms. Remember, practice makes perfect. Which idiom will you use first? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.